Are you tired of vacuum sealers that fail when it comes to sealing soups, stews, or marinated meats? Meet the Vakumar Liquid Vacuum Sealer Machine, a game changer for anyone serious about food preservation. With dedicated dry, moist, and liquid modes, this powerhouse doesn't just lock in freshness, it handles even the messiest meals with ease. Whether you're meal prepping for the week or storing leftovers, its 90 kPa section, double heat seal, and one-hand locking system ensure airtight, leak-free results every time. Plus, with a built-in cutter, bag storage, and a sleek stainless steel design, it's as functional as it is stylish. Say goodbye to freezer burn and wasted food. The Vakumar is built to preserve, protect, and perform. Ready to discover how this feature-packed sealer can transform your kitchen routine? Let's dive in. What sets the Vakumar vacuum sealer apart? Vacuum sealers aren't new, but very few are built with liquid sealing in mind. The Vakumar model solves a problem that many home cooks and meal preppers encounter: the mess and inefficiency of vacuum sealing moist or liquid-rich foods. Let's dive into its standout features. 10 custom modes for ultimate versatility. One of the biggest selling points of this vacuum sealer is its 10 different operation modes, which adapt to various food types and sealing needs. Dry, moist, and liquid modes. Whether you're sealing solid foods, marinated meats, or stews, this sealer can handle it. Strong, soft vacuum pressure, ideal for controlling suction based on food fragility. Vac and seal, perfect for hands-free sealing and one-step. Manual seal or pulse mode, especially useful for delicate or breakable items. Marinate and container modes, infuse flavors quickly or vacuum seal items in containers. This level of control means you're not limited to one-size-fits-all sealing. You can customize the process for each food type, essential for keeping ingredients in peak condition. Fully automatic operation with one-handed locking. Thanks to its patented handle-locked design, the Vakumar vacuum sealer offers convenience that many machines lack. While other models may require firm pressure from both hands to lock and seal, this model simplifies the process. Easy lock lid, just press down with one hand. LED progress indicator, see where you are in the sealing process in real time. This thoughtful design choice makes it more ergonomic, faster, and less prone to error. If you're sealing multiple bags during meal prep, this time saver adds up quickly. Double heat seal for liquids and moist foods. Traditional vacuum sealers often leak or fail to seal properly when moisture is involved. The Vakumar solves this with its double heat seal technology, ensuring that even wet items like soups or juicy meats are tightly locked with no leaks. This feature also helps prevent freezer burn, lock in moisture and flavor, and keep seals secure and long-lasting. You'll especially appreciate this during bulk food storage or sous vide cooking prep. Built-in cutter and bag storage for maximum efficiency. No more fumbling with scissors or trying to measure roll lengths. This model includes 11.8-inch built-in cutter, internal bag storage compartment. These features help streamline the sealing process, especially when prepping many items. Simply pull, cut, seal, repeat. And best of all, it's compatible with any brand of vacuum sealer bags. Removable drip tray for easy cleanup. Dealing with liquids often leads to mess, but the Vakumar sealer includes a removable drip tray that collects overflow and spills. This tray is easy to take out and rinse, saving you from the typical post-sealing cleanup hassle. Sleek design and durable build quality. The Vakumar isn't just functional, it looks and feels premium. Here's what you're getting in terms of design. Material: stainless steel plus ABS plastic, durable and modern. Compact dimensions: 15.7 inches long by 7.4 inches wide by 3.9 inches high. Weight: 8.5 pounds, sturdy enough for stability, light enough to move easily. ETL certified, ensures tested reliable safety standards. Its countertop-friendly design means it won't take up unnecessary space in your kitchen, and it stores easily when not in use. Power and performance. This sealer doesn't just look strong, it delivers on power too. Suction power, 90 kPa, capable of continuous sealing for over 200 operations in a short period. Wattage, 130 watts. Voltage, 120 volts AC. Whether you're prepping meals for the week or vacuum sealing bulk items from a grocery haul, this unit can handle high-volume tasks with ease. What's included in the box? The Vakumar liquid vacuum sealer comes with a complete starter kit, so you can begin sealing right out of the box. 2 vacuum bag rolls, 28 centimeters by 5 meters, 1 hose adapter, 1 extra lower gasket, 5 multifunctional vacuum bags, 1 automatic vacuum sealer unit. This makes it an excellent value. No need to buy separate accessories immediately. 5-year warranty and customer support. Vakumar backs this model with a 5-year warranty, which is one of the most generous in the category. It gives users peace of mind, especially considering the mechanical nature of vacuum sealers. The product currently holds a 4.4 out of 5-star rating on Amazon with over 2,300 reviews, indicating solid customer satisfaction. Final verdict: is the Vakumar vacuum sealer worth it? If you're looking for a professional-grade vacuum sealer that excels in handling liquids, moist foods, and delicate items, the Vakumar liquid vacuum sealer machine stands out in its category. With features like 10 customizable modes, a one-handed locking mechanism, double heat seals, built-in cutter, and robust sealing power, it's a strong choice for home chefs, meal preppers, sous vide cooking enthusiasts, and bulk food buyers. Add in the 5-year warranty and ETL certified build quality, and you've got a vacuum sealer that's not only convenient, but built to last. If you're ready to upgrade your food storage game, Vakumar's liquid vacuum sealer could be the last sealer you'll need for years to come.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the product review channel for more videos.